So a lot of people are standing by the Predator booth checking out the new gaming laptops, but right behind me is Acer's brand new concept lineup. The concept line basically focuses on creators, gives them the performance they need to do their work. I think it's kind of special because it's essentially taking some of that gamer hardware, putting it into a cleaner design and releasing new products. There's tons around me, but I'm going to focus on the Concept D7. This essentially is a Acer Triton 500 rebranded into a creator's laptop. You have a very clean design in all white. Like, this looks simple but yet effective. You have the same port setup, so your full-size power connector, RJ45, USB, HDMI, and your audio connections. And of course, on the other side, Thunderbolt 3, mini DisplayPort, and 2 more USB ports. The keyboard has more of a tactile finish, so if you're typing on it all day, it'll feel nice and smooth. Obviously, you're not going to get the crazy RGB settings that you would on the Triton 500. What you're essentially getting is a computer that's cleaner, that doesn't scream, "I'm a gamer." Now, the big deal is the display. This is a 4K UHD display. It's been Pantone approved, which means if you're anybody in the graphics business, it's basically approved for color science to keep the colors accurate while you're working. So whether you're in production or print, it's going to be able to basically give you the confidence that you're looking to true to life color forms. Now, the internals are what you'd expect. i7 9750H, they haven't announced it, but again, it's my gut feeling. You're getting an RTX 2080 Max-Q design. The thing they're bragging about is actually the fan noise, under 40 decibels, and that's pretty much like every system under idle. I kind of don't believe that though, because when you're, let's say, rendering a file or pushing something that's high on load, it's for sure going to go over 40 decibels. So this is something I want to test out for myself when I get it in the studio. Now, if that's something that interests you and you're into concept, the new concept lineup, let me know in the comments below. I'll request more products to review, but stay tuned for the full one on the Concept D7. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see more Acer coverage, links will be in the description down below. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
I got tons of soul on my true collective ball. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable.